To unblur photos in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to launch our camera app. Next step is to click on the photos, then select the photo that is blurred. As you can see right here, it's not the sharpest photo, it has some blur. So let's try to fix it by clicking on the edit button, and then we should be able to find AI editor, and here click on Unblur. Now give it a few moments, and after a moment we'll be able to compare it with the original photo and the fixed blur. So here we have it. Then this is the photo after the blur is fixed. I hope we can zoom on it, and yep, it's much sharper. If we click on compare, as you can see, there's a big difference. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.